I'm using Yarn Bee, Yarn ID in the color Oats. I should have been using the K hook, but I accidentally grabbed my I. We'll begin with chaining 81. Now I'm marking the last couple of chains that I made because I noticed that it's a little bit harder to find them towards the end. Connect to the first chain with a slip stitch to form a circle. This will be the neck hole. Chain 1. Perform a single crochet into the same space as the slip stitch. Now single crochet 81 times. Slip stitch underneath the top loops of the first stitch. And chain 1. Half double crochet, chain 2, and half double crochet into the same stitch space. This is going to be the back point. Half double crochet 40 times. Half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet into the same stitch space, and half double crochet 40 times. Slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 2. Round 3. You're going to skip this stitch and the next, and you're going to go round the chain 2. Perform 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochet around the chain 2 from the previous round. I just want to explain why we skipped the first 2 stitches. It's because the chain 2 is going to act like a double crochet. And then at the end, we're going to put a double crochet right into the slip stitch, will act as the second double crochet. It might not make a lot of sense right now, but it'll make sense when we get there. Double crochet 41 times. Around the chain 2, double crochet 2 times, chain 2, double crochet 2 times. Double crochet 41 times. The last stitch will go into the slip stitch or the joining stitch. This is the 41st stitch. And slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. Round 4, half double crochet 2 times. Around chain 2, half double crochet 2 times, chain 2, half double crochet 2 times. Half double crochet 44 times. Around chain 2, 2 half double crochet, chain 2, 2 half double crochet. Half double crochet 42 times. Slip stitch into the first stitch and then chain 4. Mark the third chain. Round 5, skip the first 2 stitches and go into the third one. Perform a double crochet. Chain 1 and skip the next stitch. Around chain 2, 2 double crochet, a chain 2, and 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and skip the next stitch. Now perform a double crochet, a chain 1, and a skip stitch 23 times. Around chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, and skip stitch 20 times. Slip stitch into the third chain and chain 1. Round 6. Around the chain 1, the last chain from the chain 4 of the previous round, you're going to perform 2 half double crochet. Skip the next stitch. Around the chain 1, perform 2 half double crochet. Skip the next stitch right above the post and then half double crochet. Around the chain 2, 2 half double crochet, chain 2, 2 half double crochet. Half double crochet. Now perform 2 half double crochet around each chain 1. You don't even have to remember to skip a stitch. Just keep on performing 2 half double crochet around each bar. You should have a total of 24 sets. Half double crochet, and then around the chain 2, 2 half double crochet, a chain 2, 2 half double crochet. Half double crochet, and then 2 half double crochet around each bar. You will have 22 sets. Slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 2. At this time, I'm just going to fold it in half and make sure that the 2 peaks or the 2 points are lining up. Round 7, single crochet and then skip stitch. Now double crochet and single crochet in the next stitch. Skip stitch, double crochet and single crochet into the next one. Skip stitch, double crochet and single crochet. Around the chain 2, 2 half double crochet, chain 2, 2 half double crochet. We are doing half double crochet at the points because a double crochet plus a single crochet combination is the same height as a half double crochet. Now perform the double crochet plus a single crochet and a skip stitch 26 times. Your point should look nice and straight. Double crochet plus single crochet. Around the chain 2, 2 half double crochet, chain 2, 2 half double crochet. Perform the double crochet plus single crochet and skip stitch combination 23 times. slip stitch around chain 2. Chain 3.